Welcome. In this video, I will walk you through the complete process of setting up WhatsApp on OpenClaw, running on a Hostinger VPS with Docker. By the end of this guide, you will have a fully working AI assistant that responds to WhatsApp messages from your family and contacts. First, log into your Hostinger hPanel. From there, navigate to your VPS and open the Docker Manager. You will see a list of your running projects. Look for your OpenClaw project. In my case, it is called OpenClaw-JWNZ. On the top right of the Docker Manager page, click the Terminal button to open a shell session on your VPS. Once the terminal is open, we need to find the exact name of the OpenClaw container. Run the following command to list all running containers. You will see a list of container names. Look for the one that contains OpenClaw in the name. In my setup, the container is named OpenClaw-JWNZ-OpenClaw-1. Make a note of this name, as you will use it in every subsequent command. We need to locate the actual entry point file. Run this command inside the container. This will confirm the correct path. All OpenClaw CLI commands will use this path. Replace OpenClaw- just say WNZ-OpenClaw-1 with your own container name throughout this guide. Before linking WhatsApp for the first time, it is important to clear any old or stale session data. This prevents conflicts during the QR code scan. Run the following command. This removes all previous WhatsApp credential files. Do not worry. This will not affect your OpenClaw configuration or API keys. It only removes the WhatsApp session data. Now comes the most important step, linking your WhatsApp account. Before running the login command, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to Settings, then Link Devices, then Link a device. Have the camera ready on that screen. The QR code expires in about 20 to 30 seconds, so you need to scan it immediately after it appears. A QR code will appear in the terminal as ASCII characters. Point your phone camera at the screen immediately and scan it. Make sure your terminal window is maximized and the font size is large enough to scan clearly. After a successful scan, you will see the message. Linked after restart. Web session ready. It is very important that you wait and let this process finish. You should not enter anything here until you see the root directory path. A lot of times, it says WhatsApp is linked even though it is still under process. If you enter anything before you see this path, the connection will break and you will have to do everything again. This confirms WhatsApp is connected. Let us verify that OpenClaw has properly linked and is listening for messages. Run the health check command. In the output, look for the line that says WhatsApp linked. You will also see the phone number that is connected, along with the agent status. If WhatsApp shows as not linked, the session was not saved correctly. In that case, restart the container and run the login command again. Now we need to configure who is allowed to message the bot. Open the OpenClaw web dashboard by clicking the Open button next to your project in Docker Manager. Log in using your gateway token. Then navigate to Settings and then Config. By default, the DM policy is set to allow list, which means only specific phone numbers can send messages to the bot. This is the recommended setting for personal use. You will see a WhatsApp DM policy section with options: pairing, allow list, open, and disabled. Keep it on allow list. Scroll down to the allowFrom section. Click Add and enter each phone number that should be able to message the bot. Numbers must be in E164 format. That means a plus sign followed by the country code and the full number, with no spaces or dashes. After adding all your numbers, scroll down and click Save or Update. OpenClaw will apply the changes dynamically. You do not need to restart the container for allow list changes to take effect. Now it is time to test. From one of the phone numbers you added to the allow list, open WhatsApp and send a message to the number linked to OpenClaw. Try a simple greeting like "Hello" or "What can you do?" Watch the Docker logs to confirm the message is being received and processed. You should see lines showing the WhatsApp provider receiving the message and the AI model generating a response. Within a few seconds, you will receive a reply on WhatsApp from the bot. And that is everything you need to set up WhatsApp on OpenClaw running on Hostinger VPS with Docker. You now have a self-hosted AI assistant that responds to WhatsApp messages from your approved contacts. You can further customize the bot by adding skills, changing the AI model, or configuring group chat access from the OpenClaw dashboard. Also, make sure to get your API key from platform.openai.com for OpenAI or from platform.claude.com for Anthropic, and add it as environment variables to your OpenClaw container. The details can be found in the doc, and the link to the doc is in the description.